Hey guys, so I've seen this nail with Beetlejuice nails quite a lot, but it can be used with different colours. I thought that it's just a handy thing to know how to do straight lines. This colour is insane, even with one coat. Who are you going to call? Beautiful green. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm going to use my S2 brush here. It's so good for doing straight lines. It makes it really easy, but make sure you've cleaned it first because otherwise it's just not going to flow very nicely. Now, if you get a bulb of product at the end of the nail and put it down onto the nail, you're going to find you're going to have it's going to have a lot of product at the top of one stripe. So make sure that you keep checking your brush every time you do a new stripe. Check your brush, make sure that there's no loaded lot of product right on the tip, because otherwise you're going to have like thick to thin lines. So what I'm doing is filling up my brush, I'm turning my brush in the polish, and then I'm moving my brush down on the palette so that I know all the product is even on my brush. And then I'm placing my brush down onto the nail like that. And then once I've got the product down, my brush, all the bristles of my brush are touching my nail. Once I've got that pushed onto my nail, then I'm bringing the brush down. Now, don't worry about mistakes. Just use a lint wipe and then make it into a point and use that like a pen to like erase any mistakes that you might have made. The S2 seriously makes this job so easy. To make straight lines is just a doddle. And then once that's cured, put your top coat on and check out that liner light. How nice is that? It's just a beautiful design. I hope you guys like it. Happy Halloween.